What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Tykara if you are new. So today's video is going to be a little bit different, a little random. Hope you don't mind. As you guys know from my high school makeup look tutorial thing, and also if you watched my vlog that I posted, the And We Out vlogging number 2, then you know that I kind of want to get into makeup a little bit more. So last night I went to Ulta. And whenever I went to Ulta, I don't know why I keep waiting until this time of day to film, because the lighting gets really weird. I don't know, whatever. But anyways, last night I asked the lady to help me find an eyeshadow primer, because as you guys know, I don't really mess with face makeup too much because I'm so scared that I'm going to break out. But I do like to do eyeshadow and lips. So that's one thing that I will do. I wanted to ask her like what was a easy beginner friendly primer to use, right? And she pointed me towards the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish shadow primer. This, she said, was good to use because it is great for beginners and it is also transparent, so there's no color or anything to interfere with the eyeshadows that you're putting on your face. So we're gonna see if these colors that I'm going to put on my eyelids are going to be bright enough to stay. We're going to see if they are going to be easy to see, because you guys know that I don't wear primer. This is what it looks like. How much was this? This was $21, so if you want to know about that, you better work, because it was $21. Are you kidding me? My favorite YouTuber just posted this video. No! She said that I can apply it with my fingers. And you guys see I'm starting to break out right here. Every time I get my eyebrows done, I start to break out. Like, it never fails. Like 4 days later, I can expect to break out. It doesn't smell like anything, but it looks like that. If you can see it, it's kind of like really white. So she said to apply it with my fingers all over my eyelids. I hope I put enough. I don't know how much I should be using, so hopefully that's good. I don't know what to go for. I'm thinking these, maybe like these. I want to go for something really crazy, or like yellows and reds. Well, let's try this out then. I don't know what brush to use, but I think I'm gonna go with this. This should be okay. I think I'm just gonna start with a orange. Let's see. I don't know about this, guys. I don't know. Okay, so I have the orange on. I guess this would be like a surprise to y'all because you can't really see because of how the lighting is, but I don't know. Now I'm just gonna try to blend it out some, because I think I messed up terribly. Tell me right now, do I need to stop? Now I'm going to take a yellow and see if I can work some jelly. Okay guys, so since I don't know what I'm doing, you can just enjoy this little montage of me trying to figure out and get my life together. So sorry, tripod acting up too. Guys, my foot fell asleep. It hurts so bad. Ow. Now that I feel like I have done everything that I can do, I look kind of clownish. Maybe it's because it's like harsh. Maybe I should try to blend it out a little bit more, like. Okay, so we are done. Tell me what you think. Don't lie to me. I need the truth so I can get better, okay? Don't lie. Tell me yes or no. Yes or no. I mean, it kind of doesn't look that bad, but then I'm like, am I being biased because I did it? You guys tell me what you think of this eye look. Be completely honest. You're not gonna hurt my feelings. Tell me straight up, okay? Don't blindside me. Don't have me out here thinking I'm cute and I'm not, okay? I trust you. Tell me, yes or no. That is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed me trying out, testing run, doing like a test run on this Smashbox 24-hour photo finish shadow primer. Yes, I do think that this was worth it, because I do think that if I didn't use the primer, then you wouldn't be able to see like the yellows and the oranges as brightly as you can now. Primers work. It's not a scam. They work. Check it out if you want. If you don't want to get the Smashbox one, I know that the lady at the Ulta counter, unless she was totally lying to me, she said that the Smashbox and the Urban Decays are the best to get for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you don't know what to use, Smashbox or Urban Decay is what she recommended. And I mean, it worked fine. I like it. So I'll talk to you guys later. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.
My chain, don't you like my chain, man? Young Gucci mane, and I'm popping off the chain, man. And my Jacob is so fruity. Call me Gucci mane, or you call me Gucci. My chain, don't you like my chain, man?